Hey my friends and family, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be making some ackee and callaloo seasoned rice. So the first thing we're going to do is get our coconut all chopped up, and then I'm going to blend it to extract the milk with some warm water. Alright, so as soon as it's blended, I am going to strain it off, and then I'm going to proceed to get my veggies all ready. For my onions, I don't want to have like chunks of onions, so I'm going to finely chop these onions, and then I'm going to chop my bell peppers. All right, I have my Scotch bonnet pepper that I'm going to add later, and my scallion and thyme. I have my pot heated. I'm going to add some vegetable oil in there. If you're vegan, go ahead and use your coconut oil, whichever oil you normally use. I'm going to add some vegetable oil, and I'm going to saute my bell peppers and my onions. I'm going to give them about 3 minutes on low heat because I don't really want them to burn. I just want them to be less crunchy. All right, I also have some callaloo that is frozen. It's fresh callaloo from my garden, but I chop it up and I keep them on the freezer for whenever I'm ready to use them. However, I won't be adding the ackee because the ackee was already pre-cooked, and I also have that on the freezer, but I'm gonna add the ackee on top of the rice so that it doesn't get all crushed up. Once my callaloo goes in, I am adding some vegetable seasoning to add some extra flavor. I'm going to cover the pot for a couple minutes just so the callaloo can get to absorb the flavors from the pepper before adding the coconut milk. For this dish, it's going to be idle. We're not adding any saltfish in there. You can go ahead and add saltfish if you want, but we're not adding any saltfish today. We're just going to go straight idle with just the ackee and the callaloo. Alright, so after adding some seasoning to my callaloo, I just stir it around for a couple minutes, and then I am going to add my coconut milk. I'm also going to add my thyme, my Scotch bonnet pepper. If you want more flavors from the pepper, you can just pierce it with a fork, but this pepper was really nice. I didn't need to pierce it. I'm going to add the coconut milk, the thyme, the pepper, and then I'm going to add a cup of water. Alright, and the next thing, I'm going to add some chopped scallion. That's going to add some more flavor in the pot. Alright, now I'm just going to allow the water to come to a boil. At this point, you can check the taste to see if it needs salt or not. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my rice. So after adding the rice, I am going to add my ackee. As I've said before, the ackee is pre-cooked. I'm also going to add some of my homemade vegetable seasoning, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter. Alright, the measurement all depending on the amount of rice that you're cooking. I'm just cooking a teacup full of rice, and as soon as it starts to boil, I'm going to turn the stove all the way down and allow it to steam. If you're watching this and you've never had seasoned rice before, please go ahead and try this one. Alright, it is really flavorful and tastes so delicious. As long as you eat ackee and you eat callaloo, then you're gonna love this. As soon as my rice is cooked, I just went ahead and fluff it, and I'm gonna put it on a plate and enjoy. I fell asleep in the middle of doing this voiceover. When I woke up, my voice was literally hoarse. So excuse me if you are not hearing properly. Just go ahead and turn up the volume. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate you, and I am looking forward to seeing you trying this one. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.